how to disable microphone access on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable microphone access for a specific app or block microphone access system wide. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on manage apps. And after that, on the next page, you can simply tap on the search bar, and there you can simply search for any app where you want to remove microphone access from. And now here, once you're inside that particular app settings page, you can just scroll down and tap on app permissions. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on microphone and set it to don't allow, and with that the app will no longer be able to use your device microphone. And that's it. That's how you can disable microphone access on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.